demo environment. We have built that one in parallel. It was another team that did it. They're using the same tooling, same concept of defining environments. The stuff that they launched there is from images that are built by the continuous delivery implementation. We basically add just an option to our pipe, build an AMI with this application installed on it as well, and we build that as well. So we have integration with our demo environment. We are talking with customers that actually QA environments and integration test environments will go into Amazon as well, because the way we deliver is that we have partner companies, and they basically have different ongoing projects, teams, test teams that actually want to test independent from each other, so they're requesting more and more QA environments for us. So we're going to build that in Amazon as well. And something that really happened on its own when we decided on the split of responsibility between us and operations being on the network connection level, is that our team started working DevOps right away, because we built everything from the network, the VPC, the network, all the infrastructure, everything as one team. And that's also why it went so quickly, because there was no handovers. We had a good mix of competence in the team, kind of on Linux level, sysadmin competence and development competence. So we kind of happened to start working DevOps, and it works obviously great. I can't state this enough. Amazon is great. Their stuff really works well. It's reliable, and it just works. And documentation, I mean, it's good. It's not like fantastic, but you have everything documented that you need. We have had a little bit of contact with their support, but that's basically been because they have limits, so amount of instances that you can have in your account. They have, on everything they have limits. It's basically because you don't want the for loop to have an error in it and create 52,000 instances, so you have limits. And as we scaled up, we ran into the limits, we mailed them. Within like 30 minutes, we had the limits increased. It worked super. The only one thing that is not good, and is the fact that we're using different tooling to build our AVS infrastructure and our on-premise infrastructure. We're using Packer and custom scripts on AVS, and then I don't even know actually what the operations use to build the infrastructure in-house. And I only see one way out of it, and that's of course Docker. That's our kind of next move to Dockerify the entire environment. But it's kind of, it affects the way we deliver stuff out of the cloud as well. So we'll see how long time it takes. But that's the only real downside, I would say. So that's it. Any questions? Yes.
Do you have any like savings now compared to the way you worked before?
The cost of, I said in the beginning that there was like 60 servers something. The thing that we didn't move exactly that thing. We actually moved that and stuff that wasn't included in that, and the test databases that weren't included in that either. So we have more than we had before at the same price that we had before. And the saving is in the time we freed up and the capabilities we've gotten. And over time, it's going to be more expensive for us, but that's because we have new capabilities. So it kind of becomes an apples and oranges comparison, but I was kind of measuring what we had and what we got, and it was kind of same price. And to give you some kind of relation about the price, it's basically for a team that uses us, it's I mean, the cost that they generate is roughly 2 days of manual regression testing for that team. So 2 team days basically is what it costs a month. So I think it's still a reasonable cost. Anyone else? Well, let's go to the bar then.